Yo, what is Gucci, my Brand Flex viewers? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel. And this video is literally just going to be me, once again, cleaning out my closet. So everything in this video is going to be up for sale. I'm just gonna make a quick video showing you guys a couple of the items that are up for sale. Some of these items you may have seen already and some of them you may have not. But let's just hop into the video right now. Oh shit. Alright you guys, so some of you may be wondering why I keep cleaning out my closet, why I keep selling some of my old gear. I'm just gonna do the whole like out with the old, in with the new. And I've been reading a lot of books, so I've been trying to push my website, trying to make a little side hustle for myself, trying to make a little extra cash on the side, you know, extra funds for certain reasons, like to make more videos or to buy new clothes to show you guys, or to even buy the newest sneaker release. So yeah, these books have been helping me. I don't know, I just want to push. This may be random as hell because I don't even read books, but recently I have been. Alright you guys, so sorry for rambling off for a little minute. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. But yeah, so let's just hop into the items that I'm going to throw up on the web store. Some of you guys may have seen these already on there, but I'm going to put them back up because I did take them down. These are the Fachetta Tan Nike Lab Air Force Ones, size 9.5. A lot of people are confused with sizing now because of the way Nike has changed their sizing with Air Force Ones. These did come out a couple years ago, so if you guys had Air Force Ones 2-3 years ago, 9.5, I don't know if that helps y'all, but these are up on the web store for 50 bucks. So there you guys go. Alright you guys, so the second pair of shoes I'm trying to get rid of are these Flyknit trainers. These are a size 10. I barely wore these. They're not too bad in condition or anything. I try to clean them up before I put them up on the site. They do have the stuffing and everything. I would say very near dead stock. These are a size 10. Retail was $150. They are up on the site for $70. Original box and everything. So there you guys go. Alongside with more Nike stuff, I have this Nike Dallas Mavericks colorway windbreaker. These are $120 on Nike.com. On my web store, it's $45 plus the $5 shipping, so 50 bucks. But yeah, there you guys go. This was a size large. I copped this from the employee store a little while back, but I don't wear it like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on the website. If you guys are interested, it will be up as well. This was barely worn, like pretty much worn like twice. Alright you guys, and then I have a pair of Zane Robe. I don't know if people are really messing with joggers nowadays, but I did purchase these a while back. Some Zane Robe size 32 joggers. These are just regular black joggers, drop crotch. As you guys can see, if you guys mess with the joggers, you guys know Zane Robe. I put these up for like 16 bucks. But yeah, there you guys go, Zane Robe joggers. They're not bad, but I just don't wear these at all. And then I do have a couple, well, one vintage tee. This is a 1995 Jayhawks championship tee. This was pretty dope, the Kansas Jayhawks, I believe. Yeah, I don't even know NCAA like that. But this is a size XL, made in USA. If you guys are interested in it, on the web store, I put this up for like 14 bucks. But yeah, I thought this was a pretty good vintage tee. You know, summertime vibes with the white t-shirt. And there are no stains on it. You know, pretty much super clean. I don't know, but yeah, Sevens logo on the side. Bam, there you go. Last but not least, I put this up for $130 right now, but I'm honestly gonna mark it down because I'm trying to get rid of it. I think I'm gonna put it up for like $90 or $80. But here it is, the Yeezus Las Vegas tee. This was actually helped designed by Jerry Lorenzo. If you guys do your little research, that's what I was told or what I read a while back. But yeah, Yeezus Las Vegas. Girl on the front that looks like Kim K, says Yeezus with the splatter all over it. This is a size XL, and I am gonna mark it down on the web store, but if you guys are interested in it, it will be up right there. There you go. And yeah. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It was just a quick video showing you guys what I'm trying to get rid of recently. And if you guys want to purchase any of the items, they will be linked down below in the description box. And then also you guys can follow the Twitter and Instagram for the web store because it does mean a lot. You guys can stay updated through that. And then I have been trying to push a lot more vintage gear that I've been finding on that web store, so if you guys want to support that, just stay tuned because a lot more stuff will be up on the site as well. Alright you guys, if you guys are watching to the end of this video, I really do appreciate it. And if you guys do notice the difference in lighting, I did get some more lighting for Christmas. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And also the website stuff will be linked down below. I appreciate all the love, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more, and y'all have a good day. Peace.